right, it is August 16th. All right, and another day. Another week. Another week with no quest, little bastards. So all right, we might get something this weekend again, but made 18 something, 18.99, I think it was last week. Let's see how much money we make this week. All right, but again, no quest. Just make this money. All right, finished the day at 9 o'clock, and I made a total of 162 in between Uber and Lyft. It's because I had to get school supplies for the kids and stuff. So, all right, 162 for the day. It was a good day anyway. I still can't believe I even made that much. So it was pretty good. Anyway, I'm ready for tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, it is 7:48 a.m. Starting the day off. Again, there are no quests. There could be a couple of 3 consecutive trips, but there are no quests. So I started the week with Lyft and Uber. But for Monday, I only did like 162, and which is not a lot for a Monday. But again, here's Tuesday. All right, 300. Here we go. Let's make this money. All right, it is 2 o'clock. I've made a total of I've made a total of 157, and there is this guaranteed of 190 with Lyft. With Lyft. So Uber, no quest, but I have an opportunity with make 190 if I make 15 trips. I'm already in about like I don't know, it's not much. I'm gonna post it right there. I'm almost there. I got 13 trips done with Lyft, and then 2 more, and I get that guaranteed amount of 190. It looks like it's gonna be good, some free money. But besides that, it's gonna be a good day. All right, let's keep it going. Let's make this money. All right, finished the day at 7:34 p.m. With a total of 320, somewhere around there, or 320 or 330. I don't know. I'm gonna put it right there. I hit the bonus, the Lyft guarantee, so I made like I think it was like $90 with Lyft, and then all of a sudden, I did my 15 trips, and then they gave me an additional $90, so it worked out. So 320 for the day, or 320 something. All right, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. All right, let's make this money. All right, it is 7:41 in the morning, right? 7:41, hold on. 7:41, I think it's 7:41. Yep, 7:41 in the morning. Let's start the day off. Let's make this money. It is 12:48. I've made a total of 87. I'm gonna put it right there. 87. I've been multi-apping Uber, Lyft. Again, there are no quests this week, at least from Monday to Thursday. Friday, there's one coming up for the weekend for Uber. But I've been having to multi-app, to get everything up today. I had to get 2 new rear tires, so I didn't start till late, but still 87, and it's almost 1 o'clock, so I'm still on a roll. But for now, it's been a good day. All right, let's keep going. Let's make this money. All right, 10:18. It is a total of 268 for the day. I was multi-apping all day today, Uber, Lyft, but it was a good night. I had to stop and get tires for the car. But yep, multi-apping 268, 10 o'clock. All right, let's see how much money we make tomorrow. Let's make this money. All right, 7:40 in the morning. Okay, yesterday was a 260 day or something like that. All right, but today 300. Here we go. Let's make this money. All right, I did the 161 by 323 was when I stopped to go charge my car. So 323. Been multi-apping all day. All right, but 161 for the day. That's pretty good right now. I'm halfway in, so the other half of the day, let's see where it goes now. But 161. All right, let's keep going. Let's make this money. All right, I finished the day at what is it? 270, 276, 276. I think that's what it was. 276. Both doing Uber and Lyft. All right. So I was just multi-apping all day. That's how I did it. It was like at 8 something when I finished the day. So all good for today. I'm done. All right. Let's see how much money we make. All right. See you tomorrow. All right. So it is Saturday. Yesterday I finished the day making about 276. I was multi-apping, but it was mostly Uber. But 276 for yesterday, and I finished the day off at about 8 p.m. So, all right, today's Saturday. All right, let's see how much money we make. All right, it's about 4 o'clock, and I made a total of about 160, 165. It's been a pretty good day. I started really late today, but it's been a good day. 165. All right, I still got the rest of the day going, but I only got about like 12 rides. All right, let's see what happens. I might have to work tomorrow a little bit too, but we'll see. Usually I take Sundays off. Let's make this money. All right, finish the day at about 10:02 with a total of 448, and that's because I hit that bonus. All right, I did 60 trips and they gave me like $110 or something like that. All right, but 448 for the day. All right, that's it. I think 10 more rides and I make like $70 if I want to work tomorrow. And to finish the day off, we finished with a total of 1807 for the whole entire week. Yeah. All right, 1807. And by the way, it's been like really slow during the week. And no quest for the week. So 1807, good week. All right, let's see how much money we make next week. Let's make this money.